The wind whispered through the leaves, carrying the sweet scent of autumn. From my perch high in the branches, I had a perfect view of the bustling bird feeder and the tranquil bird bath below. Each day brings a new flurry of feathered visitors, but today, these birds captured my attention. Suddenly, a flash of red peekaboos around the feeder. A cardinal, resplendent in its crimson plumage, alights on the feeder and surveys the scene with regal air, then proceeds to help itself to the seeds.
I, a majestic blue jay, perch atop my favorite place, surveying my domain. My keen eyes scan the bird feeder, a veritable banquet of seeds and nuts, eagerly awaiting the arrival of its feathered patrons.
This bluebird, with his feathers a brilliant shade of blue, his beak pecking at the seeds with delicate precision and getting his fill of refreshing water, was a sight to behold. His vibrant colors contrasted with the fence and concrete surrounding him.
Did you know blue jays aren't blue? Yep, you heard me. It's a trick of light.
Male and female blue jays look the same. However, the males are usually larger than the females. Blue jays can live a long time, usually about 5 to 7 years. The oldest known blue jay was 26 years old. One of the main enemies of the blue jay is the red-shouldered hawk. But the blue jays are so smart that they can sound like a hawk when they see them and warn all the other birds from becoming someone's meal. Very interesting. Cool. The blue jay's wings look translucent, like they were bird angels or something.
There you are, Jay. I've been looking all over for you.
Jay was hiding from Mrs. J. It was easy to hide since she was so slow getting there. Those blue jays sure were busy today. I wonder if I'll see them tomorrow.
Oh my. Is it safe? Can I have a drink of water? Is it safe? Is it safe? Anybody coming after me?
The mourning dove is a symbol of peace, love, and hope. Its gentle cooing and peaceful nature is often seen as a message from God, bringing comfort and guidance to those who hear Him.
Thanks for visiting with me today.